Okay, let's get back again now. I'm gonna take up section 2.6, what we call it instantaneous speed. Sorry, this is gonna be 5, and 2.6 gonna be instantaneous velocity. And what is the difference between them? Okay, let's take for example this idea. Let's say same thing. We have, for example, a guy moving, for example, from a school, moving, for example, to his house. Let's say the school finishes at time equal to 3:40 p.m. Let's say after moving some time, he looked at his watch. The time was, for example, at 4 p.m. Okay. Let's say, of course, since he started moving from the school, his speed was 0. Let's say 0 meter per second. After some time he moved, let's say for example, the speed over here was 6 meter per second. Let's say this guy moved again at time equal to, for example, 4:10 p.m. Let's say, for example, it was 10 meter per second. Then he moved and rested in his house. Of course, here for rest, his velocity, his speed, comes back at 0 meter per second. So what I mean by instantaneous speed. Okay, instantaneous speed is the speed at a specific instant. It should have a value. Here's the total idea about like simple one. Just have a value. So for example, take a look. At time equal to 4, speed was 6. At time equal to 4:10, it was 10. For example, let's say at time equal to 4:20 p.m., its speed was 0 meter per second. Okay, so just simple way, same with the speed is the speed at a specific time. Now let's go something called instantaneous velocity. The instantaneous velocity is just simply gonna be instantaneous speed plus direction. Let's get back to our example. So I told you that at time equal to 3:40, it was 0 meter per second. At time equal to 4, 6 meter per second, 10, and so etc. But over here, I did not mention a direction. So let's say, for example, at t equal to 4 p.m., his speed was 6 meter per second and he's moving to the right. Now this value can represent instantaneous velocity. 6 meter per second to right. This represents instantaneous velocity. At for example, at time equal to 4:10, his speed was 10 meters per second, also moving to the right. This value also represents instantaneous velocity. So if I add to the speed a direction, it becomes velocity. And here the total idea about it.